Hey guys, I got this email that everybody needs to listen to. Now, I'm gonna do a reading, but I'm gonna read this letter and I am going to let everyone heal themselves. And this is a very serious letter, and we thank you. And from you participating in this, you are helping others heal themselves. And from the reading, we will do an opening. Hi, my name is Marcos. I am originally from Africa. I came to the US to study, but before I left Africa, I was a priest in voodoo. I came to New York, and while going to school, I made $100,000 the first year as a freshman and dropped out. I did very well, but then I got involved with the wrong people. And I started making trips back and forth to Africa and running different things that really hurt me. After I had gotten in trouble, I took off to India to try to save myself. Again, I became something like a Hindu priest, came back to the US and started the same stuff over again and got in more trouble. Now all my friends, all my contacts, I can't make money and I am disgraced all over by people. Marcos, thank you again for this. Anybody that is there, let's do this not only for Marcos, but anybody else, whatever trouble you're in. Well, Marcos, we know that your third eye was opened fully in certain ways. And you started to use your gifts and your talents, and you really went to an island. You really made a lot of money and different things. You changed your DNA so strong that you started to do. Now, when you started to activate the bad or taking advantage, well, Lord Shiva got a little angry. And right now, the next card is Endless Love, but no one saw this, is that's what you should have had your whole time. And right now, no matter what you did, Marcos, you need to change and forgive yourself and disconnect. I went more than 3 cards with Marcos, everyone. You know, there's an old saying, but maybe it's said differently. Two masters in one house. So Marcos, what is God to you? Because God's going to bring you love, and God's going to bring you money again. It's not about saying that you're a bad person. You realize what you went through. I can't judge you, Marcos, but I can give you compassion. I can give you the blue dragon to fight your fight. And then you can have the Buddha mind consciousness, and then the tree of life is born again. And then you'll always have protection. And then your path you'll choose. And then from there you'll be whole, Marcos. That's it. Contact us and we'll work with you, and we'll try to, wherever you are, let us know. And even if you need a job, maybe we might know someone, because you said you're not working too. There's some personal, but you said that we can read that letter fully. I kept some stuff out of there. So, I want you to know that if no one ever told you before, you're loved. And there's something inside life that you're going to do big. And thank you again. And may no worries, no suffering come upon you. But it's up to you. Many blessings. Next reading.